When I get that runt in the ring tonight, I'll murder him.
Pepper, salt, mustard, cider. You gotta work hard to be a fighter.
I better check up on liver muscles. There's no sense in overtraining. Wow! I gotta slow that monster down or he'll murder me.
That's enough, Popeye. Now to punch the sandbag. All righty, Popeye. We'll do 5 minutes on the sandbag.
Guess I'll have to use me old twister punch.
One, two, follow through. 3, 4, breathe in more. 5, 6, Luto-wee licks. 7, 8, keep punching, mate. 9, 10, start again. Come on, Popeye, quit stalling. Popeye, we'll wind up training with road work all the way to the fight arena.
I gotta slow him down.
We're nearly there, Popeye. Huh? Come on, Popeye, you'll be late for the fight.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Popeye, here we are. Wow!
So long, stupid. Ha ha ha!
Popeye, you gotta get in that ring.
And now for the stellar attraction. In this corner, Berlin Bluto. And in this corner, his worthy opponent.